Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashish Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is arithmetic 4. So, arithmetic 4 means we shall solve a CBQ which is in chapter 1. That means the CBQ is 3095274 are some digit and 812 blank 74 is a number. Okay, some digit are given and a number, in number a blank space is given. So by using this stem we shall solve 3 questions. That means question number 1, determine the greatest and smallest number formed by the given digits using only ones. That means using only ones we use this digit and make a greatest number and a smallest number. Okay, number question B, determine whether the smallest number formed by the given digits using only ones is divisible by 4 and 5 or not. That means at first we make a smallest number by using these digits. After that we check that number is divisible by 4 or 5 or not. Okay. Our question number C is, which digit is to be put in the blank box so that the given number is divisible by 9. That means which number is put in the blank box so that the number can be divisible by 9. Okay, let us start to solve our question. Our first question is, determine the greatest and smallest number formed by the given digit using only ones. So at first we write the given digits are the given digits are 3, 0, 9, 5, 2, 7 and 4. Student, notice here 0 is the smallest digit among the whole digit. Then 2 is greater than 0. That means 2 is greater than 0. Okay. Next 3. Next 4. Next 5. Next 7. And the greatest number among the whole number is 9. Now we shall make greatest number by using this number. Here greatest digit is 9, then 7, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 0. So we can easily make the greatest number by using this digit. That means the greatest number is 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. Okay. Now we shall make a smallest number. Now we shall make the smallest number by using this digit. Student, notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 digits. If we make a digit by using 0 at first, then the number will be 6 digit number, because we know that left hand side 0 has no value. Suppose we consider 2, 0, 3 are 3 digit. We want to make a smallest number among this digit. If we write 0, 2, 3, then that number will be the smallest number by using this digit. But this time 0 has no value. We read this number as 23. So we cannot use the 0 at first. So at first we use 2, 0 and 3. Just like this we use here the smallest number is 203 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. So our question A number is done. Here the greatest number is 9754320. That means 97,54,320, and the smallest number is 20,34,579. So we write answer greatest number equal to 97,54,320. Smallest number $20 lakh 34,579. Okay, this is our first question. Now we shall solve our second question. Determine whether the smallest number formed by the given digit using only ones is divisible by 4 and 5 or not. So at first we make the smallest number formed by the digit. Here we have already found the smallest number in question number A. So I erase question number A and start to solve question number B. So at first we write from A we get the smallest number is 20 lakh 34,579. Now we want to check this number if this number is divisible by 4 or 5 or not by both. So first of all we check this is a odd number or even number. Student, notice ones place number is 9. 9 is odd number. So this number must be odd number, and 4 is even number. So we can say a even number cannot divide a odd number. So we can easily say that this number is not divisible by 4. So we write as the number 20,34,579, that means 20,34,579 is odd number. So it cannot divisible by 4. So checking by 4 is done, and we make a decision that this number is not divisible by 4. Now we shall check the number 20,34,579 is divisible by 5 or not. Student, we know that a number which has 0 or 5 at the place of ones, then that number must be divisible by 5. But here we notice that 20,34,579, it ones place number is 9. It is not 0 or 5. So the number is not divisible by 5. Now we can write here 20,34,579 has 9 at one's place. So this number, that is 20,34,579 is not divisible by 5. Now we can take a decision from this question that so 20,34,579 is not divisible by 4 and 5, is not divisible by 4 and 5. So our question number B is done. Our question number B is done, and from this we can take decision that 20,34,579 is not divisible by 4 and 5. Now I erase question number B and start to solve question number C. First of all, I write given that the number is 8 on 2 blank box 74. We want to put a number in the box so that the number is divisible by 9. At first, we want to know which number is divisible by 9. A number is given, so how can we state that number is divisible by 9? At first, we add the digit of the given numbers. Then we shall say that number is divisible by 9 or not. If the number is divisible by 9, that number will be divisible by 9. But if the sum of the digits is not divisible by 9, then that number cannot be divisible by 9. So here 81274. At first we add the digit of this number. So the sum of the digits of the digit of the given number is 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4. 8, 1, 9, 9, 2, 11, 11 and 7, 18, 18 to 22. And it is not divisible by 9. We add the digit of the number and we check this 22 is not divisible by 9. So which number is divisible by 9 near 22? Yes, that number is 27. We know that 3 9s are 27. So make 27, which number is added with 22 to make 27, and that number will be 5. How can we? We divide 27 by 22 and we get 5. So we add 5 with this number and we get 27, which is divisible by 9. Now we write, now we add 5 with 22, then 22 plus 5 equal to 27, and this 27 is divisible by 9. So we put 5 as the blank box. and the number will be 812574, and the number will be 812. In blank box the number will be 574, which is divisible by 9. My dear students, we have already solved our question number CBQ. So this is our today's lectures. I hope you have understood our today's lectures. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.